If you've tried making money online, crypto, dropshipping, trading, social media agencies, you already know it's a hustle. But what if I told you the easiest way to make money in 2025 is by a method that barely anyone is talking about? People that are making 20, 40, 60, 80, hundreds, thousands of dollars are trying to keep it a secret because they obviously don't want competition. I'm talking about a platform called Whop. Whop pays you thousands of dollars just by posting the content that already exists on the internet. And today I'm going to show you step by step on how you can start earning. So this is Whop.com. It's a platform that will connect content creators just like you and me to brands, communities that will pay you per view on social media. You will post those short form videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Reels, X, or any other app. Let me show you how to get started. First, head to Whop.com. I'll leave the link below. Click on sign up. You can use your Google account, Twitter, Discord, Ethereum wallet, or even Apple. I'll go with Google to keep it quick. Now choose your name and a username. This can be anything, your brand name, nickname, whatever. I'll go with making money now, then upload any profile picture. It doesn't have to be fancy. That's it, you're in. And here, this is where it gets exciting, okay? So, this is where you can join your first Whop. Now, Whops are the groups that you join where you can start earning a lot of money. Now, I'd recommend you to just join Whop Clips and UGC Factory, just to start off. But I'm gonna show you a method where you can find the best ways and the best campaigns where you can earn the most money. So you click on next and it takes you to this home screen. Now there's a lot going on here, don't get confused. We don't even need to be here. Where I want you to go is, I want you to go to the Discover tab. So the third button down, press Discover, and here if we scroll past the live streams, we get taken to the content rewards. What Content Rewards does is it pays you to publish content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, even X. You get paid to publish on all of those different platforms, and you get paid per 1,000 views on the views that you get on your videos. Now, if you don't know what videos to make, if you haven't got any inspiration or motivation or even an idea of what you should make, then you can go to submission section. Now, what this does is it shows you the videos that have earned the most money possible. We can see which videos and which campaigns are paying the people the most money and what styles of videos people are earning the most money on. So that's a perfect way and a perfect method that you can use if you want to earn a lot of money, like this guy who earned $2,000. What we do is we press on start earning and then it takes us to this. We first need to look at the rules of the campaign, because if we break any rules, then we're not gonna earn any money. First off, the video you're creating can't make the company look bad. Of course, why would a person paying you to make content pay you to make them look bad? Second, the video views on social media cannot be botted or paid for. This is very important. Your account will get banned if you do this, so it's really not worth it. And the video also needs to be 8 seconds long at least. So if it's 6 seconds, 7 seconds, it doesn't matter how close it is to 8 seconds, it won't matter. Your video needs to be 8 seconds or else you won't get paid. So this is why it's really important to read the rules. Also, a video cannot be stolen from other clippers because they value quality the most. So don't even do some really bad editing. It still needs to be good quality. So what you do is you publish a video. You take 5, 10, 15 minutes to edit a video and then you publish it. After you published it, you go here, you press submit and you publish the video that you just made. What Whop then does, Whop basically detects every single view that comes on your video and you get paid every hour. After you publish the video and linked it, you should be starting to receive money in like an hour or so. It's amazing. I don't understand why there aren't more people speaking about this. And there are Whops who are paying out so much money. Like, look, if you're going to sort by highest CPM, what you see is this $50 per 1,000 views, $25, $7, $20, $10. Like, that's $10,000 per million views. This is $50,000 per million views.
It's absolutely ridiculous. It's not like this is, only on YouTube, which is where it's harder to get views because of the views are longer form and higher quality. This is on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. It's so easy to get 10, 20,000 views in the first hour even. There's so much money to be made.
Like, barely anyone is talking about WOP. And I mean, I want you guys to earn money. I really want you guys to earn money. And I think WOP is the platform to do so. Like, you basically get paid to create content without any skills on internet that basically mostly already exists. So, if you want to make more money on internet and you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking. I'm gonna make more of those in the future.